Hi there, I'm Matt. I had mentioned in a previous video that I bought some new snowshoe bindings, so we're going to put them on the snowshoes today, and I'll show you the installation process, and then I think tomorrow we're going to take them out and go for a walk in the woods. So let me show you how I do it. Okay, I'm just going to start by taking a look at what we got in the package here. This is for size 12 to 13, which is my boot size. So it comes with some installation instructions, the blocks with screws, and then the actual binding itself. So this will be one of the bindings here. And then these blocks will bolt onto the two screw holes there. Should be pretty simple. So the first step in this is going to be removing my old bindings. My old ones were just tied in with some rope here, so we'll get them untied and off the snowshoes and get the new ones on. There we go. Not too bad. So these new bindings are going to go like this. And so this binding, this is the hinge point, is going to be over this larger piece of rawhide right at the back of the toe hole. So it'll be something like that. And then it says for the distance between the binding itself to use your boot, so you get a good idea of what that distance should be. So I think I'm going to anchor one side and then we'll adjust the other one. It's pretty close, just like this here. So we just have to anchor this right here, and that's just going to be a matter of lining up these holes. And now the first problem I have is that the screws they provided are not long enough for mine. So we're going to have to go find some longer screws first. So I'll be right back. That one started. before I tighten that down, I just want to check the width here. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. These aren't quite centered on here because of where the straps and stuff are in the snowshoe. I can't center it, so it's a little bit off center, but I'm thinking that's going to be okay. That should be just fine. I do think that these screws are probably too long here. Let's try one of the ones that came with here. And that looks like it will fit just fine. Strap's gonna go up right through here. And the other one right through the back. That gives you some flexibility there. I think that's good. Give that a try. Just mount the binding on the other one now. Looks about right there. Well, those installed pretty easy actually, other than having to find some longer screws, which the instructions mention you might have to find some longer ones, but other than having to find a couple of longer screws, I think the whole thing took me probably 10 minutes. So, not bad. If you enjoyed the content today, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And hopefully I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.